here we are. Everything's been leading up to today. Today we are going to break in the engine. We're going to follow the instructions that came with the Lunati camshaft and some online resources on breaking in a flat-tappet cam. It's going to take probably 20 minutes to half an hour. The exhaust isn't hooked up, it's just straight headers, so it's going to be really loud. Went around and warned the neighbors that we're going to be making a lot of noise for about half an hour. If this goes well, then the engine will be broken in. By the end of the day, if it goes poorly, then I don't even want to fucking think about it. But that's what we're doing today, breaking this thing in. So, fingers crossed.
So $2 grand. Work it up to $3 grand. You have to figure out how to hold your tack. You have to hold it with your hand and watch it. Yeah. I'm running the throttle to start it. Once it's started, you're taking over.
Okay. Don't let it stay steady. Just go back and forth between 2 and 3.
It doesn't mean up and down. It means gradually up and down. All right, try it.
Oh, good luck.
Oh, come on, you couldn't give it a little ass before you turned it off?
No, I don't want to sit right.
Yeah!
I'm gonna let it cool down some.
Yeah, it was running pretty hot there for a minute.